Hi, welcome back. We're mid-November, Utah Zone 6. I live up by the Wasatch Mountains. Today, I'm collecting a ton of seeds from my yard. We got some sunshine. It's still cold out here, but it's in the middle of the day, so hopefully I can get a lot done before it gets freezing again. So come along. Here's a whole bunch of white asters. I got some campanula over there, rose of Sharon, and hollyhocks. Purple asters over there. Look how many white asters are right there. Wow. Lots to collect. I'm going to move a lot of these in the backyard because these were perfect in bouquets. This brown paper bag is full with lots of marigolds. Let's move to the next one. This one's full of white asters mostly. Up here is campanula. Lots of fun seeds. I like to store them in just these Harmon grocery bags. Just pop their heads off. You want to let them dry if they have any moisture whatsoever in them. So I took a lot of these aster seeds and I moved them around my yard. Let me show you what it looks like. So I cut a whole bunch of these down. Let me see if I can do one on camera here for you. Super simple. Got my left here, but you know. And then just gonna take those white fluffy seeds and I'm gonna go and say, I think I want some white fluffy seeds over here. Simple as that. And next time it rains, we're gonna have lots of seeds sowed right there. So these are the white asters too. I used them like mad in bouquets. So I've been cutting these down. Here's some more white aster seeds. So you can move these guys around too. These are the coneflowers. Where do I want a coneflower? You can winter sow them. So I like to store a lot of them. Oh look, here's some snapdragons. I love snapdragons. They can self-seed right here, or you can put them in your brown paper bag. I like to put a lot of my seeds in my brown paper bag if I want to trade. There's some more white asters, purple asters. I want a coneflower right here, and I can help it along by opening it up or just shaking it around. Simple as that. So here's another white aster that I kind of just dumped here. Oh, no, those ones I haven't done anything with yet. So, oh, it is. I just kind of dumped it here. I'm like, hey, I want some white asters here. Boop. And they kind of spread like dandelions, but I'm going to be cutting like mad on them this year because I'm going to try to sell some bouquets. So here's some snapdragons. Look, I have a snapdragon blooming in November. It's a pink one. There's some seeds that'll self-seed right there. Those are winter sown. But okay, let's go over here and I'll show you some more of what I've done with these aster seeds. Honestly, see? I just stick them down. Now you can take a rake or even your foot. Look, can you see them blowing away in the wind? Now I'm going to have white asters all through this bed. And do I want that? Yes, I do. Because I want them in bouquets. Here's some more simple. This is how I'm sewing them. Spread them around. I'm going to have white asters all throughout. So pretty professional, huh? Have fun with it. It's simple. Don't overcomplicate. You can save them in your brown paper bag, or you can just spread them around your yard. So these are those glorious blanket flowers. I want some of these in my median strip. So we're gonna walk over to the median strip. And let's see if I can plant them. I've been doing a lot of fun out here because we got some sunshine. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to drop and spread them around. This one I have to use my hand instead of my foot. But hopefully I get some coming up right there. These ones were so glorious. I did winter sow the original ones, but self-seeding cool flowers in the fall is easy. All right, let's look around. What else can I do before the sunshine is gone? There's some more asters. These ones were like a purple. I had like 4 shades of purple this year. Doing everything on my left for you guys. But look, right here, I have these ones are purple asters, and I'm going to hit it with a rake or even step on it, or even do it with my hands. And it's just going to blow all those seeds around. See? And I'm going to have lots of different aster plants coming up here. You can let the wind do it and just have it in your own area, or you can kind of decide where you want it. Fun, huh? Simple, simple. And that's how you lose a pair of secateurs. I don't know why I think that word's fun, but it is. Okay, and the sun is dropping pretty fast. It is cold out here. Brr. So I'm just going to let the seeds spread a little bit before I clean up any of these stalks. And I might not even clean them up. I might just put wood chips over the top of everything. Let me go spread some more. Where am I going to put you? Let's go to the other median strip. Let's go put some more blanket flower down. It can be so enjoyable to grow things from seed. Right here. This is my new median. My new median strip. Can you see all those pretty seeds? Now it's pretty solid here. I'm gardening in November. I refuse. I refuse. We got some self-seeding things. It might be something I put down. I can't remember, because I've been growing quite a few cool flowers. Just have fun with it. Go see what type of seeds you have in your yard. When you have a little bit of sunshine in the middle of the winter, look for seeds. See you later. Bye.